PMO is trying to assert itself by imposing a code of conduct on all ministers. In a letter written by the Prime Minister's office, all ministers have been asked very categorically to disengage themselves from any businesses, at least management of any businesses. Navika Kumar, the political editor of Sister Channel Times Now, joins us with more details of what the PMO is really up to. Navika.
Yes, it is being seen as a Dayanidhi Maran impact, and the Prime Minister clearly reminding his entire council of ministers, stating that they have to declare and come clean on any business interests that they may have, or even their spouses, their dependent children, or even the larger families. In fact, the Prime Minister's orders have been communicated through this letter written by Cabinet Secretary K.M. Chandrasekhar. This letter, dated 2nd of June, bang in the middle of the Maran controversy, is being seen even by ministers as the Maran impact. This letter clearly states that the Prime Minister wants all the ministers to live by the code of conduct, and he's reiterated the need to live by that, saying that details of all assets, liabilities, business interests, conduct and management of any other business, even employment of spouse or any dependent family members with the foreign government or other organizations are to be informed to the Prime Minister. This code of conduct goes on to say that all ministers should sever all connections, short of divesting himself of ownership with the conduct and management of any business in which he was interested before his appointment as minister. It also says that if there is any trading relationship with regard to business concern which supplies goods or services to the government or to undertakings of the government, even that needs to be brought to the Prime Minister's notice. It goes on to say that if a minister transfers his interest in the management, and in case of both the ownership and management being transferred to any adult member of his family or adult relative other than his wife, who was prior to his appointment as minister associated with the conduct or management of the ownership of the business, then that also needs to be informed to the Prime Minister. Many people asking now, is this the Dayanidhi Maran, Kalanidhi Maran link that the Prime Minister is hinting at? Clearly, unhappy Prime Minister reiterating the code of conduct for his ministers, and most ministers in the Union Cabinet see this as the Dayanidhi Maran impact in governance yet again.